This video tutorial I will explain what is proxy, forward proxy and reverse proxy. Now we will see what is proxy. Imagine you want to order a pizza, but you don't want pizza shop to know your exact address. So what you will do is you will ask your friend to go and pick up the pizza for you. In this scenario, your friend acts as a proxy. The friend take your request like ordering the pizza and go to the pizza shop and order the pizza, and your friend bring the pizza back to you without revealing your address to the pizza shop. Now we will see what is forward proxy. Here you can see the pizza shop, and it has online facility to order the pizza, and you are in a school or company, and from school or company you cannot access the pizza website because you are in restricted network, but you really want to order the pizza. So what you will do is you will ask your friend who is outside of school or company and outside of restricted network, and this friend can help to order the pizza via online because he is in outside of restricted network, and in this scenario your friend acts as a forward proxy, and he can get request from you and order the pizza via online and take the pizza and bring it to you in school or company. Now we will see what is reverse proxy. Now let us flip the scenario. Imagine you have a popular food truck, and there is a huge line of people waiting to order from your truck. To make the process smoother, you hire this person and stand in front of your truck and take orders from the customers. This person acts as a reverse proxy. This person receive all orders from the customers and pass them to you in an organized manner. You prepare the food and give it back to this particular person, who then hands it out to the customers. The customers only interact with this particular person and don't directly communicate with you, and this person acts as a reverse proxy. So in summary, proxy acts on behalf of someone else, hiding their identity or location. Forward proxy helps you to access restricted websites from within the restricted network by fetching content on your behalf. Reverse proxy helps to manage incoming requests from clients to servers and acting as intermediary between clients and servers. And it is often used for load balancing, hashing, or security purposes. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.